The air feels heavy, it doesn't move. The clock ticks slow, no need to prove. I reach for words, but they all fall like broken glass, scattered small. In silence I hear it loud, a whisper tangled in the crowd. In silence we all collide. No place to run, no place to hide. The echo lingers deep inside. In silence I reside. Fingers trace the cracks in time, a ghost of meaning in the grind. Every step feels like it bends, a loop that never ever ends. Reverse the screams, they turn to hum.